But you do have a right to go about your business if, in fact, the officer does not have a particular reason to stop you. If the officer is just stopping to say, hey, how are you doing, or what are you doing in this neighborhood, you do then have the right to just say, I'm fine, thank you, and just walk on. And you also do have the right, if the officer questions you, you have a right to be silent and to not say anything.
How are you doing, sir? DUI checkpoint? Have you had any alcohol to drink tonight? You're not going to answer any of my questions?
The police are not actually supposed to pull people over for no reason under the Fourth Amendment, which is our protection against unreasonable searches and seizures. The police do have to have some reason to stop somebody, to interfere with their liberty.
Sir. Sir. Sir, how are you doing? Is your car in park? Hey, you got a supervisor? You got a supervisor? Refusing to answer my questions.
Name and personnel number?
My name is Officer Aaron Johnson, Boulder City Police Department, P number is 291.
All right.
Have you had anything to drink tonight?
Cervantes! Sarge!
Have you had anything to drink tonight?
What did you say your name was?
Officer Aaron Johnson, P number is 291.
Boulder City PD.
Have you had anything to drink tonight?
All right, thanks.
Have you had anything to drink tonight? Refusing to answer my question, Sergeant.
Okay. Sir, we just need to know if you had something to drink tonight, that's all.
Okay.
Okay? You just have to answer that question and you'll be on your way.
I have to answer?
Have you had anything to drink tonight, sir?
What's your name and personnel number?
My name is Sergeant Cervantes, P number 7456.
All right.
Okay?
Am I free to go?
Have you had anything to drink tonight, sir?
Sergeant Cervantes, am I free to go?
Have you had anything tonight, sir? You can have a nice night, sir.
Thank you.
You're welcome.
So I think a lot of people don't know if an officer says, will you answer the following questions, or do you mind if I search the trunk of your car, or what's in your briefcase? I think most people feel that they have to cooperate and say yes, but in fact, if the officer is just asking, then you do have a right to say no. If an officer does not have probable cause to arrest somebody, then that person is going to have a right to walk away because they're not under arrest.
They call you in from me?
I don't know.
Oh.
You here to make a complaint?
Yeah, well, no, I want to find out how to do it first.
Can I get your name?
Rich.
And your last name?
What for?
Do you have a driver's license on you? So let me see your license.
What if I don't have it on me? That's,
Failing to identify yourself, I can take you and put you in jail. All right? Is that what you want?
No, I don't want to go there.
Okay, give me your license then.
I don't want to go there.
Hey, I'm talking to you.
Okay?
Identify yourself with some form of identification.
I don't want to go to jail. I didn't do nothing wrong.
Okay.
I just came here to find out, what the deal is. It's cool.
Give me some identification. I'm talking to you right now.
Look, man, don't hit me or nothing. I didn't.
Don't walk away. I'm
not.
telling you to stop.
Okay, I'm right here.
Now I'm asking you for some identification. Do you want to identify yourself?
I did not do nothing wrong, man.
Nothing says you did.
But what is this? I don't get.
It's not resisting arrest if an officer just would like to ask you to consent to a search or something like that, and you say, no, I don't want to consent. At that point, you do have the right to walk away. That's not resisting arrest. It's not obstruction of justice. It's just exercising your constitutional rights.
I just want to make sure it's our department you're talking about. When you say you cops.
Yeah, I know
This is Pine Line Police Department. You didn't see the sign out there when you say you cops? Do you want to visit my jail cell instead?
Can you tell me how to make an official complaint?
What officer are you talking about? And what's the incident about? Because what it means is, I'm asking you a specific question. You cops means all cops. Is you making a complaint against a Pine Line police officer? That's why I asked you when you cops, who are you talking about?
Yeah, I want to know how to make a complaint.
Which officer is it?
Can you tell me how to make the complaint, please?
You're going to have to talk to me eventually anyway.
So you're not going to give me a complaint, then?
I ain't giving
You're not allowed to give me that complaint form? Or you just won't?
I might be speaking a foreign language to you. You have to contact the chief. He's the only one that hands out the forms.
And that's your policy?
That's
your official policy?
That's our official policy.
I left the police department when he told me that their official policy was not to give out complaint forms after hours. And that was the only thing that I wanted him to tell me.
He thought it was over until Sergeant Clay met him outside and said, "Get out of my city."
Yeah, get out of your city, and what happens if I don't? And what happens if I don't? You put me under arrest?
Yep, you're under arrest. Come on.
I'm under arrest for what? Man, what are you doing to me, man? What are you doing, man?
Hey, open the door. JJ don't get it.
What am I under arrest for, man?
So you comply.
Comply with what?
You're in a government building, man. Do you understand what government know what that means? You're on government property. Do you understand what that means?
I think the important thing for people to remember during any encounter with the police is remain calm, remain respectful, but also assert your rights, because you do have those rights. And the mere fact that the police don't tell you what your rights are doesn't mean you don't have them. It just means you have to know on your own what your rights are.